Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the June beauty haul and unboxing. It's weird, y'all. I'm pretty sure all of this stuff in front of me, was shipped to me. There were a lot of Ipsy flash sales. My BoxyCharm add-on is in this. I actually just got that yesterday. I ordered the add-on on the 11th, and today is the 27th. 26th, 27th, something like that. So I'm actually gonna start with that. I went, you know, I gotta be careful. I have a really nice inventory of products, and so I was like, okay, what do I actually need? And they had this deal for 12 bucks. You get 3 masks. So it was actually a really good deal. And there's like a little BoxyCharm logo. I got one with hearts. There's one that is all like it's just flat black with the BoxyCharm logo. And then the last one that I decided that I'm gonna give to Rachel, it does have the BoxyCharm logo. Big lips. She was so obsessed with that, and I'm gonna look to see if there's more anyway, because these are probably the most comfortable masks I've tried so far. They're really soft. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so that one's going to Rachel. When something makes somebody really happy, I want to make them happy. And I haven't given her anything in a while, so I'm going to put a little goodie bag together for her. I'm really excited. Anyway, so the next thing, I actually made a Mary Kay purchase, right? I got a little sample of the satin hands, which I'm really excited. This is going in my purse. I actually just finished one that I had for probably way too long. I'm not gonna have that one as long. This will be in a first impressions get ready with me once I'm ready to use some more mascara. I have 3 mascaras open right now, so it's gonna be a little bit, but this is Mary Kay Lash Love Fanorama mascara. I'm not even gonna open this to see what the brush looks like. It has really good reviews and stuff like that, so yeah, just stay tuned sometime in the next like couple months or so. And I actually got a new fragrance, and this is called, it's Enchanted Wish, and this is a eau de, what the fuck? What is it? Eau de toilette. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, super cute packaging. I'm kind of obsessed, and I did smell this before because I wanted Tim to sniff me. Be like, do you like this? Do you like this, baby? We have Sheet Mask City, and this is all from a couple different Ipsy flash sales. Yeah, that smells good. It's fresh. Anyway, I did split some of these up, and Jennifer is getting some of them, but I have the Pharmacy Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. I have the Panda Eye Brightening Sheet Mask. Hydrates and soothes, dark circles, blah blah blah. Low-key want to send that to Coffee Break with Danny. Let's see, I have used this one, the I can't read. Natural Shea Butter Mask Sheet. Yeah, this one's really nice. I used one left from that brand, I'm assuming it's good. And there's, this is from the same brand, it's Yvette Daily Fresh Squeeze. One is pink, one is green. Let's see. Watery green grape and soothing lychee. I don't know what the fuck that is. And then I have a box of more sheet masks. Hydration and Brightening by Midflower. So I have the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. I think I had something like this before. And then I have the Blue Lotus 401 Cleansing Milk. And then another cleanser. I'm in cleansing city. Holy shit. Okay, so the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Excited about that. So I did a couple other flash sales and ended up getting like dupes of bags that I already have. Like this was a February bag and this was a January or something like that. But in here I have another eye cream. I was like low for a while, damn it. Anyway, nourishing formula, blah blah blah. This is the Verso eye cream. Hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. What? Babe Lash Essential Serum. Get lush, healthier looking lashes with Babe Lash Essential Serum. Promotes the appearance of longer, thicker lashes. I might give this to my mom. Yeah, she has been bitching about her eyelashes for a while. So, spoiler alert, this is going to my mom. I wonder if she'll fucking use it though. Be like, bitch, you're gonna use some nice shit, damn it. God damn it. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm insane. Oh, by the way, this thing that had the eye cream in it, one of these should have been in the May beauty haul and unboxing. I had so much and it fell somewhere, whatever. Then fast forward to Peach may have tried to eat the packaging. Last two products, Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. I hope this doesn't smell like truffles. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. I might make Tim use this. He needs to cleanse. Make him feel a little bougie or something, you know? He doesn't like feeling bougie. He says that's not a word. Anyway, so then I have a Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum by Hu. Hello, skincare. Are we in need of skincare? Yes. Is anybody else breaking out on their chin from wearing these fucking masks? Also yes. Alright, so that does it for this portion. We are here with the July beauty haul and unboxing. Yeah, so this is part of a 3-month kind of feature, so we're smack dab in the middle. I literally only have 2 things to show you and that's it. So holy crap. I want to make a special shout out for Tim because he actually picked this up for me, but this is the Herbal Essences Birch Bark Extract, the Bio Renew series, the shampoo and conditioner. I had it on the list and I had full intentions of going out and buying some, and he beat me to it, and it was really sweet because anyway, I'm so excited. I needed to have another toner mist on hand just because I like to have at least one backup of the stuff that I use. This is probably totally worth a first impressions moment, but it's Andalou Naturals Clementine Plus C Illuminating Toner. It's a brightening thing that has just been the theme lately. Shake well after cleansing, blah blah blah. Really excited to try this out. Anyway, so that's it for this portion. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. This is August. We are ending, this is the last segment of the video that you're freaking watching, and I literally only have 3 things total, but 2 different things. That is it. I have not purchased anything extra. I have 2 big ass Tresemme 24-hour volume, full body all day conditioners. These are both at 39 ounces. And then Old Faithful, which I'm not sure if I've used this kind or not, but the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Tahitian Vanilla Bean. I freaking love vanilla bean, and so I'm literally wondering am I gonna end up freaking wanting to eat myself? Maybe. I don't know. That's basically it. Honestly, just as a heads up, I'm not really gonna have many haul type things. It's just gonna be as I run out of stuff. And honestly, since I have been going with BoxyCharm, it's between BoxyCharm, COVID, not working, everything is just I'm not shopping as much. So we are at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.